Hey guys, what's up? Chris Rod, Sun City Lawn Care, Chris Rod Investors, El Paso, Texas, SEO.com, all coming at you live. Making a quick recording. So whether you're watching this now on one of our channels or you're going to be watching this later, I hope you find some value in this, because what I'm going to be teaching you guys today is simply how to install the Facebook Pixel. Okay. It's a Facebook pixel that belongs on your guys' website. Okay, we all know that social media is ever growing. Okay, before, if you guys are, you know, if y'all have been diving deep into your business websites and you've been bringing in clients through that means, you probably at some one point or another had what's called the Google Analytics, okay, that tracking code installed into the header of your website, okay? That way, you were utilizing the Google platform to go ahead and track all the visitors that you guys have been receiving to your business page, your business website, okay? And that's definitely a way to do it, and you should still do that as well for your business site with correlation to Google. Now, what you also have to do next level, new year, 2020, ever growing, things evolve, is the use of social media, okay? And the one way that Facebook has allowed business owners to track some of the user data is to install what's called a Facebook Pixel onto their website, okay? So what I've got open here, and I went ahead and deleted mine because I want to walk you guys through this process. Actually, before I do that, let me talk to you real quick, a little bit more in detail what the Facebook Pixel can do for you, okay? Because a lot of people are like, Chris, what are you talking about, man? Facebook Pixel, on my social media, when I talk about this stuff, it's like, it goes in one ear and goes out the other, or goes right over somebody's head. All this is it's a simple way to track the users on your website, okay? So you install what's called a Facebook Pixel onto your business page, or your sales funnel for that matter. And what it does is, for everybody that visits your actual website, okay, it grabs their IP address, okay, and it funnels it into the Facebook Pixel, into Facebook. So everybody that's coming from Facebook and going back to your website, that information is being shared through the Facebook Pixel, okay? It's basically another tracking code, if you will. And what this is going to allow you to do is, everybody that visits your website and sees your website and sees whether you have a call to action, or they watch the video you have on your Facebook or your website, they see some of the content that you're providing. Maybe it's free content, maybe it's not free content. Maybe they're making a purchase, or maybe they're typing in their name, their email address, their phone number, but they just forget to push that submit button. Or they don't take any course of action on your website. What's happening when you have the Facebook Pixel installed is that you are now able to track that person, that user that visited your website from their social media platform, okay? So when you're on Facebook, and if you decide to run Facebook ads, because they're dirt cheap, and why anybody wouldn't want to do it, I don't know, or why anybody would want to stick with traditional marketing. And these are in my drawer because I stopped using them. We're going to be doing a couple different things. We're going to be doing some test trials. I may use postcards this season, but I'm not really into print marketing. I'm kind of more into digital marketing. So with that being said, everybody that visited your website, that through Facebook, when you're running Facebook ad campaigns, you can now retarget everybody that visited your website. You can retarget them by creating a retargeting ad campaign, okay? Let's talk about this. If there's over 2.5 billion active users on Facebook, and one small percent of that, maybe half of that, visits your website because you're just the most popular brand in the world, or on Facebook, in the US for that matter, or in your state, in your city, and they're visiting your website through Facebook, but they're just not taking any action, okay? And when you create that Facebook ad, you can now retarget those people through the Facebook Pixel, okay? How powerful can that be? Instead of having to reprint marketing material and going to hand out postcards or door hangers in either the same neighborhood, because some of you guys are going to be implementing one of two methods. You're either going to be targeting your whole city, you're going to be trying to target thousands and thousands and thousands of people to try and get business, or maybe you're going to be the smarter of the bunch and you're going to be targeting just 1,000 people. Got a little high pitch there. Maybe you're just going to be targeting 1,000 people and you're going to be retargeting those same 1,000 people with postcards or door hangers, right? But if you're the 1%, and that's really who this video is for, if you're that 1% that's doing the digital marketing for your lawn care business or any business for that matter, and you need to install the Facebook Pixel on your website, that way you can retarget them on a digital level instead of having to reprint and beat the streets. Okay, so let me show you how to install this real quick. The first thing you need to do is you need to should still be recording. I think it is. It's just the video is taking a second to pop up. Okay. And okay, maybe can you guys see me? Oh, there's a new one. Let me see here. Facebook Pixel Chrome extension. This is what you need to download. Or not necessarily download, but save it to right there. Okay, so once you type in Facebook Pixel Chrome extension, okay, it's going to pop up the first one or two. Go to the Pixel Helper, the Google Chrome. You are going to be adding this extension. I know this is going to look real funky to a lot of you that don't have this. Okay, so once you get here, you're going to have this option right here. Don't remove it if you already have it installed. If you have it installed, great, but it's going to give you the option to install. Once you have it installed, once you guys have it installed, this icon right here is going to pop up. It's going to say Facebook Pixel Helper. And then if you desire a website, you need to install this. If you have a business website, you don't have this, install it. If you go to anybody that's conducting business accordingly, they should have this installed. So let's just go to one of the lawn care mentors in the United States, the lawncarenut.com. Okay, the lawncarenut.com. Right here, guys. Facebook Pixel Helper. He has one pixel found on his website, okay? Now, I do know that Mr. Hain, Alan Hain, is here. He runs Facebook ads, okay? He does conduct business on this website platform here. So he has the Facebook Pixel installed because he's retargeting that same traffic because he already knows that they're buying his products, okay? Or the next level products, or some of his swag, if you guys will. So he's able to do that through the Facebook Pixel, all right? And all the merch that he has on here, or the fertilizer, the soil optimization packages. So this is it. You know, this is like a given, guys. If the lawn care nut's doing it, you guys might want to think about doing it too. You know, he's not out there mowing and cutting grass and everything for other people and making business as a lawn care business owner. But come on, guys, it doesn't get any more obvious than that. Let's get to that's how you install it onto your desktop, okay? And then you'll have that Chrome extension there. Now let's talk about how you actually install it onto your business website. So what you guys need to do is you need to go, and if you haven't already established, well, hopefully you have a Facebook page by now. Hopefully you've got a Facebook business page, and then you need to create a business manager account on Facebook, okay? I'm not going to walk you through that now. You just need to do it. Business Manager Facebook. Just type that into Google. And it's going to walk you through on how to set it up exactly, okay? So we're going to go ahead and log into mine for the Sun City Lawn Care account. Once you get into your back end here on Facebook, now this is where you're going to be running all your Facebook ads, okay? You have a couple different options to get there. You can select your pages down here, or your ad accounts for that matter. What I want you guys to do is go to Ads Manager in the upper left-hand corner here. Oh, you have to excuse me. I got a little stuffy. And this, Facebook, the Facebook Business Manager can get very confusing. Okay, guys, your friend over here is your Business Manager tool in the upper left-hand corner. Don't worry about anything else right now. When you select that, you're going to have the option to scroll up and down all over the place. Okay, guys, what we are looking for is business settings. Oh, stuffy. Under business settings, if you have your personal page, you have a business page, you need to add yourself to your business page. This is where you do that under business settings. You just select add. It's going to give you the list of names on the accounts that you can add yourself, okay? This might be getting in the way here. I can't see. Let me move that over there. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys that real quick as far as being able to add yourself, because you're definitely going to need to do that as well, okay? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and select add, okay? And what this is going to do is we're going to connect the website activity using a pixel, okay? Pixel name, you can select one or you can type one in, whichever you want to do. You can check your website for easy setup. So if it's optional. You can check to see if it's already got it or not. We're going to press continue. If it does already have it, it shouldn't. It's going to advise you to a couple of options. One would be installing an initial pixel. Excuse me. Okay, so are you ready to set up a pixel? Continue managing my business. You can set this up later. This is just if you're establishing your account. What we want to go ahead and do is set up the pixel now. Okay, and then it's going to give you a couple options. Add coding using a partner integration, manually add code to a website, email instructions to a developer. One I want you guys to select. This is going to give you the option to select your WordPress website or any one of the platforms that you guys are actually utilizing to build your sales funnel or your website for that matter. So for this particular case, we're going to be going to WordPress. Okay. Turn off advanced matching for WordPress. You can do it or not a big deal. We're going to go ahead and continue. Download the Facebook Pixel extension. If you already haven't done that, go ahead and do that now. It's going to give you a couple options to walk through it. All you do is just download plugin. It's going to download to your laptop, computer as a zip file. Go to continue. Then it walks you through the back-end process of your actual website. Go to settings, dashboard, plugin, click plugins. So on mine, and again, this is for WordPress, guys, but essentially, again, this is for WordPress. You're just going to be logging in. Go to your dashboard in the upper left, scroll down until you get to plugins, select add new. In the upper left, you're going to upload a plugin. And then it's going to give you the option to choose a file. Go ahead and select that. You're going to be choosing a downloaded file that you just did, which is the Facebook Pixel. And select install now. So it's doing its thing. All right, there you go. And then it's going to let you know it's unpacking the package, installing the plugin installed successfully, and you are going to activate the plugin. That's probably one of the most important steps, is definitely activating that plugin. And then you can go back to your Facebook Manager program since you've already done all that. Select continue. Install now, as it's right there, it tells you to activate it, continue. Then you are going to verify the connection, okay? Verify your pixel is working correctly. All you're gonna do is enter in your website right here. Okay, you can do that one of two ways. You can type it in, or you can copy and paste, depending on how crazy your URL is. Then you're gonna go ahead and send some test traffic. Let it do its thing. Boom, 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 boom. Sending test traffic. It's doing its thing. Just give it a second here, guys. And you're going to be able to test a couple of things. All right. One, it's going to let you know that the Facebook pixel is installed. And then two, once it's done its thing, you guys should be able to see from the Chrome extension that we installed at the very beginning, you should see the fact that you have a Facebook pixel installed. And there you go, guys. Here, okay, Facebook pixel helper, 1 pixel found on suncitylonghair.com. So I'm gonna go ahead and log out of my back end. Oh man, my nose is draining today. So we know that pixel there is good. What happens is when it's testing the traffic, it's actually going to send traffic from Facebook. So some of you guys, what you're going to see on your analytics is you're going to see like a quick spike in the actual usage of your website from the Facebook pixel if you were to go ahead and research the analytics on that. And right here, as you guys can see, it says active, last received in the last hour. Let's go ahead and continue. And this is where you guys, it's going to walk you through the setup events tool, which we're not going to bother with. Actually, you know what? Let's just do it. Might as well, since we're here. Just, you can open the website or you can just continue on that path. Okay, we're going to go to push continue. We're going to confirm. You can test the events in the events manager or not. We're not going to bother with that. The next step it's going to walk you through is the creation of an ad, in which I've created a video not too long ago about how to create an ad for your lawn care business, or for any business for that matter. Now that you guys have that tracking code on there and you guys start to run your Facebook ad campaigns, why again? Because it's cheap as dirt. You're going to be able to track all the visitors to your website and then retarget that same audience later in the future. Instead of doing a mass guerrilla marketing program out there on the streets, now you can do it on a digital level. Why? Because you have the Facebook pixel installed, guys. So that's going to be it. That's going to conclude my video. Hope that, again, that's going to conclude the video. Hope that was useful information for you guys. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave me a comment below. Ciao for now.